chicken, gravy, biscuits, butter. From Kentucky, Georgia to Texas, ain't no chicken like mama's fried chicken, no, no. Southern fried, crispy and tasty, oh now. Be flying off the table so hasty, they be saying Oklahoma all the way to Alabama, ain't no chicken like mama's fried chicken. Nowhere near. Listen, y'all know who does the best sweet tater pie? I'll tell you now. Best sweet tater pie, my mama's. Cinnamon cream and sugar, so sweet. From Kentucky, Georgia to Texas, best sweet tater pie, yeah, best tater pie's my mama's. Little warm, delicious, tasty. Be flying off the table, hasty, yeah. They be saying Oklahoma all the way to Alabama, best sweet tater pie, best is my mama's. Facts, the best. Clap your hands. That's right, come on now, they all know. Y'all know who does the best peas in town? My mama does the best black-eyed peas. She does with onion, spices, smoked meat, so good. From Kentucky, Georgia to Texas, mama got ooh black-eyed peas. They all love mama's ham hot, flying off the table, eat the lot. Flying. They be saying Louisiana all the way to Alabama, mama got the best black-eyed peas. The rest ain't close, hush. Y'all don't believe me? Everybody says it all over the South, baby. Ain't no secret from Kentucky, Georgia to Texas.